We've said a neural network is just layers of weights, tuned until they fit. Now take that same idea and blow it up to a giant size. That's a large language model, an LLM. It is nothing but a huge neural network of weights. Let's see what happens when you type a sentence into it. First, your sentence doesn't go in as words. It gets chopped into small pieces called tokens. A token is usually a word or a chunk of a word. Type "how are you?" and that's 3 tokens. How are you? And each token isn't really text to the machine. It's turned into a number. So your sentence becomes a short list of numbers. That's the only thing the network can actually work with, numbers. Now the work happens. For every single token, a mountain of weights fires. In a big model, around 3 billion weights light up for each token, even though the full model may hold hundreds of billions in total. Only a slice wakes up at a time, but it's still an enormous slice.
So all those billions of weights run again for every single word?
Yes, and here's the whole point of it. After all that firing, the network produces just one thing, the next token. The most likely piece to come next. That's it, one token out. Then it does it again. It takes everything so far plus that new token and predicts the next one. And again, one token at a time, it builds the answer piece by piece, like laying down letters one after another. When it's done, those tokens, which are still just numbers, get turned back into plain text. That last step is called detokenizing, numbers back into a readable sentence you can actually understand. So the whole loop is simple. Text in, split into tokens, weights fire, out comes the next token, repeat, then detokenize into a sentence. But can a thing this big run on your own laptop? Next, running AI models on your machine.